Last week I had a break in a motel on the road to rest a little while in a saloon. Hot soup and cold beer. The lady, she blinks. She's sorry I'd forgotten the spoon. She whispered she's tired to stay by her man. He's angry and drunk every day. My stomach was empty, my head full of thoughts. Be careful, so what can I say? Stay by your man. You don't know me, let me show you today. Don't leave in a rush anywhere. I please you, consider to stay. Emotions of compassion go out of one's mind. I know every bedtime goes by. I'm a dealer, a gambler, a wanderer, a fool, and hope she forgive me the lie. Stay by your man. You don't know me, let me show you today. Don't leave in a rush anywhere. I please you, consider to stay. I please you, consider to stay.